Did you know that a set of landing gear on an Airbus A320 is designed to withstand over 60,000 landings? Or that an aircraft lands on a set of landing gear manufactured by our ICO, Safran Landing Systems, every 2 seconds? Neither did we. In fact, Safran are responsible for building the landing gear, nose and rear, for all of the aircraft on screen. Now, the manufacturing process of landing gear is incredibly complex, as is the testing process. And in fact, the testing rigs are even more complex, having to mimic the precise forces and power attributed to a landing. The data created by these tests is truly big data. But what happens when a test fails? Is it the fault of the landing gear or the test rig? Right now, Safran aren't sure. And any delay in the testing process causes delays upstream in production, affects the workshop, Safran, and of course their customers. But that's not the only challenge here. There is no internet access. That means no cloud, no IoT platforms, no big data tools or technologies, and a completely locked down data system. And from our research into the market, Safran are not alone. So how do you solve this challenge? You need Zizo. Architected from the ground up to solve big data challenges without the need for the cloud or expensive hardware, our award-winning patented technology platform is used by thousands of end users worldwide across billions of data points. The Zizo team have been together for over 10 years, and our first deployment of Zizo was to over 9,000 users across 8 billion rows of data. We compressed data from 7 terabytes to 190 gigabytes and saved our customer over £3 million in hardware costs. And we did all this on a server that cost less than £20,000. Fast forward to today, and we are bringing this analytical capability right to the edge. Our solution is flexible, portable, and can easily add new sensor types as and when required. Backed up by self-service analysis capability across 2 years of historical data, alongside data modeling, data analysis, and data cleansing, we can truly add value to Safran's data. The final piece of the puzzle is IoT and sensor management and long-term real-time analysis. Working with a global partner to develop devices for scientific analysis, we have been able to add this technology to our platform. The solution is currently live in Safran Gloucester, collecting data for analysis. And all of this runs on a box the size of a laptop that can be plugged into a 3-pin plug. But the journey doesn't end here. As we start to collect data, we can start to build models for predictive maintenance. We can add more complex data science to look at statistical process control, add data from other countries to create a holistic view of operational performance. And our solution can work with any machine or device in the workshop. So with the capability to integrate, analyze, and visualize data from any structured or semi-structured data source, wherever there may be power or internet connection, our solution has many different capabilities in different sectors, for instance, in maritime, MOD, agriculture, or retail. So this is more than analytics. Welcome to data science at the edge. Welcome to Zizo. Thank you.